Hey team, thanks for checking out this video. Today I'm going to show you how to use what I call the shell method, which is going to tell us the sum of the interior angles of any polygon. Now we start by knowing that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. So using that, we can build to any polygon, and it works like this. We call it the shell method because we pick one vertex. Any vertex, does not matter which one, but we pick one and we're going to draw a line to each of the other vertices in this polygon. So we draw these blue lines, and that creates 1, 2, 3 triangles for us. And like we said, we know that each triangle has a sum of 180 degrees. So 180 degrees there, 180 there, and 180 there. So the sum of the interior angles of this 5-sided polygon, a pentagon, is 180 times 3. Or we can actually do the math on that, and 180 times 3 gives us 540 degrees. All right, so it's that simple. Let's take a look at several other polygons. We use the same strategy, this shell method. Well, we pick a vertex and we draw to each of the other vertices. Notice with a triangle, that doesn't do it. It's still just a triangle, so that's just 180. Here we split this into 2 triangles, then into 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. And we can develop this pattern. When there are 3 sides, there's only 1 triangle created, which is a total of 180 degrees. When there's 4 sides, that splits into 2 triangles, which is a total of 360 degrees. When we go to a 5-sided polygon, that gives us 1, 2, 3 triangles for a total of 540. 6 sides gives us 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles and 720. And for 7, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. And I know I'm going to take those 5 triangles and multiply by 180 degrees each. And for this 8-sided polygon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles, and each of those 6 triangles is worth 180 degrees, right? And that gives us our total here of 1080. Now, what do we do for like a 100-gon? Well, notice this pattern that the number of triangles within each polygon is always 2 less than the number of sides. So if there's 100 sides, there will be 98 triangles. And the sum of my interior angles is 98 times 180, which gives us this number in scientific form. It's 17,600. Don't worry too much about that. Now, what if we have n sides, a number that we don't know? We're going to take that n value, subtract 2, just like we did here. How did we come up with 98? We did 100 minus 2 equals, right, 98. So we take our n minus 2. And then what do we do over here? Take the n minus 2 and multiply by 180. And this will tell us the sum for any polygon. Now let's finally talk about what do we do to find one angle. If all we need is just one angle. All right, so it starts off actually doing the same steps we just did. N minus 2 times 180. In this case, n is 6. That's because we've got 6 sides to this polygon, okay? So 6 minus 2 means there are 4 triangles here, each worth 180 degrees. So 4 times 180 gives us 720. Now, what do we do with this 720? Here we go. We take that 720 degrees and we're going to split it equally among all 6 of the angles. So we end up with 720 divided by 6. 720 is the total of the sum, and 6 is how many angles we have to split it up into. And that gives us 120 degrees each. So this angle is 120, as is every other interior angle in this polygon. Very good. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps.